Hello, we are going to learn today binomial theorem. What is binomial theorem? Why do we use it? For example, we have to find a plus b square. So if we have to find a plus b square, what have we to do? We have to just multiply. If we have to find a plus b square, what have we to do? We have to just multiply a plus b with a plus b. So a plus b times a plus b, as we know that this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If we have to multiply a plus b with a plus b with a plus b, then we will find a plus b cube. Then we will find a plus b cube. So it will be a plus b times a plus b times a plus b. If we have to multiply, if we have to find a plus b raised to power 100, so we have to multiply it 100 times. Oh my god, is this possible? Yes, this is possible, but it will take a very long time. So to solve this problem, mathematicians derived a method which is called binomial theorem. And what is binomial theorem? Binomial theorem is if a plus b raised to power n is a raised to power n plus nc1 a n minus 1 b plus nc2 a raised to power n minus 2 b square, so on, and it will end at b raised to power n. For example, we have to find a plus b raised to power 4. What is nc1 here? I'll explain it later in this video. So we can use calculator to find these values. These are not very difficult, very easy. So a plus b raised to power 4 mean a raised to power 4 plus, because n is 4 here, 4c1 a raised to power 4 minus 1 3 b plus 4c2 a raised to power 4 minus 2, so it will be a2 and b square, so on. We can see the sequence 4c1 here, 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, now next 4c3, and a raised to power 4, a raised to power 3, a raised to power 2, next will be a, b0, b1, b2, b3, and in the last it will be b raised to power 4. If we see the sequence, this is not very difficult, this is very easy. How? We can easily find the value of 4c1 by using calculator. This is not difficult. 4c2, 4c3 and 4c0. Okay, let us take another example. For example, we have to find 2x, we have to expand 2x minus 3 raised to power 5. So 2x minus 3 raised to power 5 mean a is 2x and b is minus 3 here. So it will be 2x raised to power 5, because a raised to power n is 5, plus nc1 mean 5c1, 2x raised to power, what will it be? We can see that power of a is decreasing. So if this is power is 5 here, so what will it be next? It will be 4, because in the formula this is a raised to power, then a raised to power n minus 1. So a raised to power a is 2x raised to power n is 5, 5 minus 1, that is 4. So next b is 0 here, so it will be b raised to power 1, nc1 a raised to power n minus 1 into b. So b is minus 3 raised to power 1. Next, what will it be? nc2 mean 5c2 a cube mean 2x cube, b square mean minus 3 square. Next 5c3, we can see that here it was 5c0, next 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, and a raised to power 5, a raised to power 4, a raised to power 3, next it will be a raised to power 2, and b raised to power 0, b raised to power 1, b raised to power 2, now b raised to power 3. Next 5c4. So by seeing the sequence, 2x raised to power 5, 2x raised to power 4, 2x raised to power 3, 2x raised to power 2, now 2x raised to power 1, and this is b4, so minus 3 raised to power 4, and next this is 5c5, because 5c5 is 1, 2x raised to power 0, that is also 1, so in the end we just write b raised to power n, that is minus 3 raised to power 5. Now by using calculator we can simplify. 5c0 is 5, 5c0 is, and 2 raised to power 5 is, okay, I am going to explain what if you don't have calculator, then how can you solve it. This is actually NCR. So NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. So if this is, for example, 5c2, so it will be 5 factorial over 2 factorial, because r factorial, into n minus r means 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial, right? So we can further simplify it, 5 factorial over 2 factorial into 3 factorial, or we can write it as 3 factorial as 3 into 2 into 1, or 3 factorial. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1, and 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 into 2 into 1 will cancel 3 into 2 into 1. 2 times 2 is 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. So 5c2 is 10. What is factorial? Factorial is the term, for example, we have to find 5 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. What is 7 factorial? 7 factorial means 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. So factorial is like this. Now we can easily solve it. 5c0 by using calculator, 2 raised to power 5, 32. So it will be 32x raised to power 5. 5c1. 5c1 multiply 2 raised to power 4 into minus 3. So it will be minus 240, and x raised to power 4. Next 5c2 is 10, and 2 raised to power 8. 80 times 3, 80 times 3 square, 9 times 8, 72. So it will be 720x cube. 5 times 5c3 is also 10. 2 square is 4, and 3 cube is 27. So when we will multiply this, we will get 1080 x cube. Now 5c4. 5c4 is 5. 5c4 is 5, and 5 2s are 10, and 3 raised to power 5 is 3 raised to power 4 is 81. So it will be, I think, 810 x, and 3 raised to power 5 is 243. So this is the simplest form by using binomial theorem. We have also seen NCR here. NCR is also called n choose R, mean NC1 mean n choose 1. This is also called, and this can also be written as like this. If a plus b raised to power n, this can also be written as a raised to power n into n see 1 like this. N choose 1, a n 1 minus 1 b, n choose 2, a n minus 2 b square, so on up to b raised to power n. So this is binomial theorem, introduction of binomial theorem. We will explain it later in next videos. Thank you so much for watching.